If you're using a lip scrub, but your lips are still cracked, dry, or irritated, you might actually be making it worse. Today, I'm going to show you the correct way to use a lip scrub and avoid these 3 mistakes most women just don't even realize that they're making. As a nurse and as someone who formulates oil-based lip care for busy women, I see a lot of over-exfoliation and unnecessary irritation, especially with caregivers who just want something simple that works. So let's clear this up. First, what is a lip scrub? Like, what does it actually do, right? So a lip scrub is meant to gently exfoliate to remove that dead skin. That's it. It is not meant to heal cracked lips, and it's not meant to use every single day. And it's definitely not meant to replace moisture. So exfoliation removes and moisture heals. If you don't understand that difference, then you'll keep chasing soft lips without ever getting them. Now, let's talk about mistake number 2, over-exfoliating. So this is the most common issue that I see. If you're using a lip scrub every single day, or you feel like pressing harder because you think more pressure means better results, you're actually damaging your lip barrier. Your lips don't have those oil glands like the rest of your skin, so once that barrier is compromised, dryness actually increases. So here's the correct way. You use a lip scrub 1 to 2 to 3 times a week, and we want to use gentle circular motions and very light pressure. So if it feels aggressive, it is. Mistake number 2, using a lip scrub on cracked or bleeding lips. If your lips are actively cracked or bleeding, then exfoliating them is not going to help. It's like scrubbing an open wound. So instead of focusing on hydration and barrier repair first, use a nourishing balm or an oil-based treatment consistently. Once that skin is intact again, then you can gently exfoliate. Now, mistake number 3, not sealing in moisture after exfoliating. So this one makes a huge difference. If you exfoliate and walk away without applying a protective layer, you've just removed that dead skin without locking in hydration. And that's why I hear so many women say, I used a lip scrub and now my lips feel dry the very next day. So here's the proper order. We want to exfoliate, gently blot if needed, and then immediately apply a moisture-based balm or an oil-based lip treatment. So that sealing in step protects your lips and helps them stay softer longer. So let me just show you how quickly. So I have my lip butter scrub. So this is an all-in-one, no rinse formula that I have created. So I am just going to take a very small amount here on my finger. I just washed my hands. I don't know if you can see this very well. me see if I can get some more on here. I don't want too much. So I'm going to take a little bit, and then I am going to apply it. I am going to use gentle circular motions for about, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds maybe. And don't press very hard. But you just want to get it, all over. If you're using, the oil-based or no rinse lip scrub like myself, you can gently blot if you need to, instead of, rinsing it off. So that helps maintain moisture instead of stripping it all away. And then immediately you want to apply that barrier product, but my lip butter scrub already has it in there, so I just apply and go, and that's it. So if you're a busy nurse, a healthcare worker, or a mom who's constantly on the go taking care of everyone else, our lip care just doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be intentional. If this was helpful, check the description below for my full effortless lip ritual guide for dry, sensitive lips. And if you want more nurse-informed, simple routines that, you can actually use in real life that actually work for busy women, make sure that you're subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video.